In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro, a powerful online collaborative whiteboarding platform perfect for brainstorming, planning projects, and visualizing ideas. Whether you're working with a team remotely or simply looking to organize your thoughts, Miro offers a versatile set of tools to bring your concepts to life. Let's dive into this tutorial and explore how to get started with Miro. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Miro.com. This is your gateway to an incredible world of interactive whiteboarding. Once you're there, look for the login option and click on it. If you already have an account, you can sign in using your email or, for a faster option, your Google account. For those who prefer email, click on Continue with Email to proceed. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to create a new board where you'll unleash your creativity. Navigate to the Boards section on your dashboard and click on Create New. You'll then want to select Board from the options presented. It's time to personalize your workspace, so give your new board a name that reflects your project or the topics you'll be exploring. This makes it easier to organize and identify your boards later on. Once you've set up your board, it's time to start adding content. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a toolbar. Click on the sticky notes icon to populate your board with sticky notes, perfect for jotting down quick ideas or key points. Once you've placed a sticky note, click on text, and then on the sticky note itself to start typing your thoughts. To add more structure to your board, you can include shapes and lines. Click on the shapes and lines icon in the toolbar to integrate different shapes, making your board much more visually appealing and structured. Don't forget that you can also add arrows to illustrate the connections between ideas or processes. This can be especially useful when mapping out workflows or processes. Next, for a more personalized touch, select the pencil icon to draw directly on your board. This feature mimics the feel of a physical whiteboard, allowing for freehand sketches or annotations. If you want to create sections or highlight specific areas, click on Frame to add frames to your board. This helps in organizing content logically within designated spaces. Enhance the mood of your board with emojis by clicking on the emoji option. Emojis can bring an element of fun or expression to your work. If you've got other media or documents to add, select the Upload button to incorporate your own files seamlessly into the board. Finally, once you're satisfied with your board, you'll likely want to share it with others. Click on Export this board located at the top of the page to save your masterpiece. Choose to save it as a PDF, image, or from other available options so your work can be easily shared, printed, or archived. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting started with Miro. With these steps, you're all set to create dynamic and collaborative boards that can transform how you communicate ideas and work with others. Don't forget to explore all the features Miro has to offer, and happy brainstorming.